Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Here at the Lagos State Police Command, just like the two states, Enugu and Rivers State, which the Inspector General of Police had visited. His mission statement reflects on how to reposition the police force to discharge its responsibilities effectively.
We must also be civil but firm in our discharge of our responsibilities at all times.
In achieving this and many more, the police chief charged the officers present as managers of human and material resources to exhibit high level of self-discipline, professionalism, and to motivate their men under them to go the extra mile.
Our stations and our personnel to be overrun to the extent that we will not be able to handle situations that can easily be handled because of lack of professionalism or cowardice.
He assured them that the welfare, including training and retraining of police personnel, as well as pension for retirees, will be looked into in line with the present realities. The Inspector General Police team arrived at the State Police Command to the warm reception by the officers and men who had waited for several hours. After his arrival and with the inspection of parade at the main entrance, the visitor had barely settled down before the heavy rain poured, which pulled down the VIP canopy, including other canopies, forcing the security details to whisk the IGP to safety to avoid being hurt.